Are you trying to decide between Revolut and Trade Republic? You are not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular financial tools. Both Revolut and Trade Republic help you manage your money and invest. They make it easy for users to trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, and more. But they do have some key differences. Let's start with Revolut. This app is known for its multi currency accounts. You can hold and exchange different currencies without high fees. It also offers features like budgeting tools, insurance, and crypto trading. It's a great option for those who travel often or want a complete banking experience. Now, let's look at Trade Republic. This platform focuses on making stock trading simple. It offers commission free trading, allowing users to buy and sell stocks easily. Trade Republic also provides access to ETFs and options. It's designed for those who want a straightforward way to invest in the stock market. When it comes to differences, Revolut shines with its banking features. You can manage your money, send payments, and even get a debit card. Trade Republic, on the other hand, is all about investments. It's perfect for users who want to focus solely on trading. In terms of features, Revolut has a wider range. It includes budgeting tools and cryptocurrency options. Trade Republic keeps it simple with a clear focus on trading stocks and ETFs. Pricing is another factor. Revolut has a subscription model, while Trade Republic offers commission free trades. This can make Trade Republic more appealing for frequent traders. So, who should choose what? If you want an all in one banking app, go for Revolut. If your main goal is to trade stocks easily, Trade Republic is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.